Analysis of time series. Time is an extremely important factor in the study of problem of economic and professional sectors. There are certain changes or variations in social, economic and professional fields with the passage of time. These changes affect various activities directly or indirectly. For example, production, sales, consumption, etc. Some of these are affected for a short period, while other for a long period. An expert businessman determines his present policy on the basis of these past indicators. Thus, estimation of future trends and changes is possible with the help of analysis of time series. When any variable is studied along with time, such a series is called time series. The scale of time may be a day, a week, a year, or any other time unit. Meaning of time series may be clarified with the help of the following two series. In first series, yearly sale of firm A given, sale is unit is in thousands. In 2009, the sale of firm A was 80,000. In 2011, 94,000. 2012, 82,000. 2014, 96,000. 2015, 85,000. So yearly data are given. Sale of firm A. And in second series, production of firm B is given daily, day wise. On Monday, production of firm B was 20,000, Tuesday 21,000, Friday 18,000, Saturday 23,000, Sunday 27,000, on next Monday 15,000. So these two series are example of time series. Data are given according to time. In first series, yearly data given, and second, daily data given. Meaning and definition of time series. A set of observations based on time series called time series. According to Canning, a set of data depending on time is called a time series. In the word of P.C. Murray, a series of values over a period of time is called time series. Croxton and Counden, a time series consists of data arranged chronologically. It is clear from the study of the above mentioned definitions that time series has two types of variables: independent variable and second dependent variable. फर्स्ट हो गया इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल एंड सेकंड डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल. इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल रिप्रेजेंट्स टाइम एंड डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल रिप्रेजेंट द इफेक्ट ऑफ चेंजेस इन डेटा with the change of time. Therefore, time series establish relation between cause and effect in two variables. It may be taken into consideration that time series is an individual series in which each item is represented by specific time. Scale of time may be based on a year, month, week, day or hour. Census in India after an interval of a decade. Annual production in India during the plan period. Quantity of currency in circulation on the basis of a month. Hourly temperature and heat. Heartbeat per second of a patient are the example of time series in true spirit. Thus, statistical facts are presented in an arranged manner chronologically. It is called time series. In brief, the series which has variables presenting effect of time is called time series.